Missing someone.
Good morning, my lads. How you doing? If you're new here, karibu sana. I go by the name Vivian Odhiambo, aka Fashion Guru Kenya, aka Mtutso wa Homa Bay County. So today I'm going to teach you how to make cake mandazi. That is mandazi that tastes like cake. So the ingredients are So I'm going to start by putting 1 cup of all-purpose flour or all-purpose flour, and this right here is the cup that I will be using. Then I'm going to add in 5 tablespoons of sugar. If you don't like it that sugary, you're going to add just 4 tablespoons of sugar. Add in 1 teaspoon of baking powder. We're going to mix the ingredients that we just put well together, well. Then I'm going to add in my egg. One teaspoon of vanilla essence, or you can just use the bottle top. I warmed my milk and just estimated with my eyes how much I needed. So you're going to start with a cup of milk, add until you get that consistency that I'm going to show you right here, like that one of kaimati. Sawa sawa? Okay. Stir or mix everything together properly until it has that smooth consistency. As I said, I'm going to show you how it's supposed to look. Okay? Okay. So now I'm going to use the bottle top of my cooking oil to put in 2 bottle tops of that cooking oil. Estimation that is about 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Okay, after that we're going to again stir this together nicely. This is how the consistency is supposed to look. It's not supposed to be too runny or too hard. Good enough to stick on your fingers while you're dropping it in the cooking oil, but you can also apply some cooking oil on your finger so that when you drop it, it doesn't stick. Don't worry, if you put too much milk, you can always go back and put some more all-purpose flour. Add more until you get this consistency, okay, like kaimati. In a sufuria, we are going to put in our cooking oil. Let it become hot enough, and then we are going to drop in our dough or our kaimati. Here they are, very delicious. They do not have the perfect round shape, but they were very delicious. If you want the perfect round shape, There's an equipment for it. There's this thing people use to squeeze out icing sugar while decorating cake. There's that thing that looks like that. You can put your dough in and squeeze in the perfect round shaped kaimati. Some people call them puff puff. That is in Nigeria. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Click on that notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Bye bye, see you next time.